Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account setting. And in this video, I will show you on how to clear all search history in your Microsoft account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Then the next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here. Go ahead and navigate to privacy. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to browsing and search. So as at the time of making this video, I have this number of activities right here. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see all browse history right here. The more you scroll down, the more you're going to see everything. So show all activities. You can also download your activities as the case may be. This is search history right here. So you can come down below right here and click on show all activities. So you have it all right here. The more you scroll down, the more everything is going to look up right here. For you to clear all activities, go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pop up. Are you sure you want to clear this search history? Then go ahead and click on clear. And it's that simple. Clear all search history. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we close this pop-up right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Microsoft account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.